Welcome to Work Smarter TV. I am Maarten, and in this video I will show you how to use the subtotals function in Excel. With data such as this, where you have for all the days in a week number, you have sales, it's very easy to summarize, to create subtitles for each week. Before we begin, we must first sort the data by week. We go to the sort menu and we click not sales, but we click week, sort on values, smallest to largest, yes. And obviously my data has headers, always important to check this one when sorting. We click OK, and now you can see week is 1, 2, 3, and also the days. Yeah, we're almost there. As you can see, the weeks are sorted now, but the days aren't. And while that isn't really important for the result of the subtotals, it looks awkward, and we're going to fix it. We are going to add another level, and then we say first you sort by week, and then you sort by day. There you have it. Obviously, if we would have sorted just by day, the weeks would have sorted them out as well, themselves out as well, but well, this is the proper way. Okay, so now we're ready to create subtotals. We select the whole table, and if you're not already there, you go to the tab Data, and we click the option Subtotal here. Now it says at week, each change in week, sales or day, but in this case we're going to use week. The other ones, all the values are different, so subtotals won't mean a thing. But obviously, if you had week and you had also month, then that would be a valuable choice as well. The function we're going to use is sum, but you can also say, well, I want to know the average sales in that week. So yeah, that could be very valuable options as well. Now, there's an option replace current subtotals, which aren't there, but it's good to always leave them there, otherwise you'll add layers and layers. And we also want a summary of the whole data table below. And we don't want a page break, but you can also use that, but we don't have that much data here. So we'll click OK, and there you have it. We have the total for week 1, which is 155. We have the total for week 2, which is 161, and we have the total for week 3 and a grand total. Now, as you can see, Excel has also input the formula for subtotal here, and it says subtotal, and it uses this range, and it's the same for this one, and you guessed it, for this one as well, which is generated automatically by the subtotal function, subtotal feature rather, because this is the function or the formula. And we have a subtotal function here as well. Now the difference, if we would just calculate the sum now of this area, big mistake, start a formula always with an is, sign, an equal sign. There you have it. This is the double value. That's because it also adds the subtotals here. So that's the difference between these formulas. The subtotal one doesn't regard other subtotal values, other values calculated by other subtotal formulas. That's it. Very useful feature. You can also use the minus signs and then the plus signs to fold them in and out. And it also, yeah, it gives you formatting right away. So, all right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to receive email updates when I post a new video and get tips and tricks in your mailbox on how to use Excel in a smarter way, click over to my website, worksmarter.tv, by using this button in the bottom right corner. This will take you to worksmarter.tv, and you can subscribe to my mailing list there. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.